Today, the Cardinals are on the road for their lone trip away from Schumann Stadium in a 4-game stretch, with the Central Michigan Chippewas serving as the host. Caught on the far sideline by Mabon, spins away from the tackle at the 20, to the 10 to the 5, leads it across the goal line, touchdown Ball State! Rush on the move to this right, throws to the end zone, caught for a touchdown by Central Michigan. Fakes the handoff, play action, bombs it long down the middle of the field, intercepted by Patterson! Patterson coming back to the 35, 40, room in front of him to the 50, 45 of Central Michigan, 40. Fakes the give, looking to Davis, throwing for Davis, into the end zone with a two-handed catch for a touchdown. Rush takes the snap, fakes the handoff, rolls to his right, under some pressure, he throws, caught! Successful two-point conversion. Central Michigan has tied the game at 29. 55-yard field goal right hash. Snap good, spot on the tee, right-footed kick is on the way by Secor, and Secor, he hit the field goal! Scott Secor from 55 yards out! Oh my goodness!